Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. Today I'm going to be doing my week 4, I believe, of June cash stuffing. I know I've been MIA. I've just had a lot of things going on the last couple weeks between, the household being sick, work, my part-time jobs, and my business. I've just been really swamped mentally. I've been exhausted as well as physically. I did get sick as well. And so it's just been really crazy around here. I have been stuffing weekly and doing my savings challenges, although last week I did not do my saving challenges. So my next video, I'll actually be doing 2 weeks worth of saving challenges. During the last couple weeks, I did start 2 new savings challenges, which I'll show you at the end. But again, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing on this journey. I do want to say I did pay off my private student loan, so I'm so excited about that. I will be moving to a new debt, but I am focusing a little bit more on some savings. I have been really crunching numbers as far as debt's concerned, just knocking it out for the last, I would say, 1.5 to 2 years. And although I've come really far, I'm just a little burnt out on paying off debt. I will continue to make, large payments towards debt, but I do want to focus on some other things. But to get started today, I'm going to unstuff my cash envelopes from last week. Somehow, some way, I did not actually use all of my money for gas. So I actually have $25, $30, $1 left over in gas. So this is going to go to the side. Food, I have been using. So this week I only have $6 left. Beauty rolls over, but I did finally get my hair done, so I actually need to take some money out of here, which was $2.50. So I'm going to take $2.60 because I believe I only have 20s here. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 81. So I will keep 21, and I'm going to put this to the side because that's going to go back to the bank to pay for my credit card. And then this 21 will roll over. So I do roll my beauty envelope over every month to be able to pay for my hair when it comes up every 3 months. As far as my spending, I don't think I touched it. Nope. So I have 15. So this money will actually go into savings challenge. I'm doing it a little differently now because before I was using it towards debt. So I'm going to change that up a little bit. So I will put that back there. I will put this back here because this is my back to the bank area. If I can get it in there. Okay. Let's see. So gas is getting 75. So 50.75. I did up it about a month or so ago. It seems to be working. It seems to be holding me over. Last week, I didn't do as much driving for my on-call job, which is hospice. I do drive to the people's, where they live. But my patients that I saw were actually, within 15 minutes from my house. So I didn't do as much driving. So we'll see how that is this week. Food will be getting 25. So 25 for food. I'm still trying to not use this, but, things happen. Beauty will be getting its 25. And this envelope is for my hair if I decide to get my nails done, and any products that I need as far as bath, toiletries, anything like that. It comes out of here. So we have 20, 45, and 46 now in beauty. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. It's a little warm here, but I am enjoying it. So yeah, spending is getting 15. So we have 15 in spending. And then I will take those coins out later. So that's it for my cash envelopes. Next is my dated. Some of these are dated actually. So car registration is fully funded. I do have to actually make the payment and renew my car this month. My nursing renewal will not be getting anything today. Moving, I'm not stuffing currently, but I will start stuffing it again because we will, you know, we never know if we're going to move or just extend the lease in the house that we're at. So I do want to stuff this just in case we decide to move next year. Welk fees will be getting 40. I do have a timeshare that is paid off, but this is for the maintenance fees that come every other year. So I'm trying to save up for next year's payment. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 920 so far. I believe it's going to be about 16 or 1700. P.O. Box will be getting $6. This payment is coming up as well. So I do have a P.O. Box for my small business, as well as, you know, I do have people that have wanted to send some cards and Happy Mail and things like that. So I have it posted down below. So if you would like to send a card or just be pen pals, whatever, you don't have to. But it's just a little fun, you know, to send things back and forth. So we have 5 and 6. I am very bad at sharing my Happy Mail. I'm a shy person by nature, and so it takes me a while to even record these videos. So trying to add stuff to it, my mind kind of just goes blank, but I do have things that I do want to share, that I have gotten, some for me and actually some for my viewers. And so I will share some of that. So now in P.O. Box we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So 132. My goal is 148, which will be about the time where I need to pay this next month. Amazon Prime will be getting $5. This is due in December. Excuse me. My throat is still a little scratchy from being sick, so I'm trying to hold in any coughs. So excuse if I have to clear my throat. So Amazon Prime now has 50, 70, 80, 95, 100, 1, and 2. So $102 going towards my Amazon Prime. All right. Oops. Okay. Next, I did switch over my envelopes. If you remember, they were in purple clear envelopes. These envelopes, D from D versus Debt made me. They are beautiful. If I can get the glare out. And so I did combine family and fun together. So today it will be getting $10. So we now have $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70 in family fun. Next is birthdays, and birthdays will be getting 10. I have not kept up with my trackers, so I need to count them and then put what's in the envelope, because, like I said, I haven't been keeping up with them. So birthdays now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. I believe I put the money in there. If I have money, 10 left over, I know it goes in here. I can't remember if I put it in there or not. Medical will be getting 10 as well. My goal is to get my medical up to 500, and then just leave it there if in case I need to go to the doctors for anything. So now, right now, medical has 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380, 390, 395. So we're almost there. Okay, next is clothes. Clothes is not getting anything. I am going to be using this. I need to start using this for our trip to Hawaii. I'm going to get my stuff that I'm going to take from this envelope. My support small is going to get 10, and it has 15. I'm actually going to take this and put it aside because I did recently purchase some placeholders from a small business, Amethyst Treasures. She's got the cutest placeholder, so I did purchase some. So I'm actually going to put this aside. I owe more, but I'm just going to take it out of another fund. Car maintenance is going to get 15. You guys, let me tell you, about my brakes. In the last video, I was saying I had to get my brakes. I did not have enough saved up. It cost me $2,000 to get all my brakes and all the work done. I could have fainted when he told me how much it was going to cost, so I did have to put it on my credit card. I am paying it off right now. I should have it paid off probably by the middle of July. So yeah, that was just I was quite annoyed because I had just paid off my private student loan, and then I racked $2,000. Well, not 2,000 because I did have some money in here, but it was a couple $100s. So yes. So anyways, we have 15 in there right now, and I'm going to add 15, so that would give us 30, which will end up going to my credit card. So 10, 25, 30 in car maintenance, which is actually needs to come out. And then I still have my money that my son gave me, so I'm just kind of holding on to that. Next, I do have some new envelopes for my nieces and nephews. I am putting money in here. These envelopes were made from Tiny Stitch Creations over on Etsy. They are so cute. They're very well made. I love them. And so I'm going to put, you know, money here and there on my cash, you know, when I have extra money to stuff. But I also have savings challenges that I'm putting towards my nieces and nephews. And so once those challenges are done, the money will be divided between all 8 of them. So they all have the same amount right now. So I'm just going to add 5. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. So 20 for Alexander, which is my newest nephew. And then Joshua will get 5. I'm not going to count them all because, like I said, they all have the same amount in them. But these envelopes are just so pretty. I love the butterflies. I love the writing. I just am in love with these envelopes. So Selah will get 5. I was investing for them. I did stop. I haven't even really invested in my own stocks, which I am going to get back into. Life has just been just crazy around here. So yeah, but I'm definitely trying to get back on track. I do apologize for being gone, but I did need to get my mental and physical health back together and just get things in order. It's still a little crazy, but I'm trying to juggle, and my health is better. So the baby was sick, so but we're getting there. So there we go. All right. That's the last of my cash envelopes. Again, this money will be going towards Saving Challenge, but I do want to start something new, and that is I have 2 envelope challenges that I'm doing. One is the Mystery 15 box. This is from Mystic Budgets. I cannot think of her. I know she has a website. But this box is so cute. She's Mystic Budgets here on YouTube, and I will get the name of her shop and put it in the video or in the description, of course. So what I'm doing is I'm rolling a die, and then whatever, and it comes with a printout, you know, a tracker. And so whatever I roll is what I save. So this is a mystery challenge. It has mystery cards in it. And so if I roll a 6, that indicates that I'm doing, you know, one of those envelopes. So I don't know how much that's going to be. And so I want to stuff these with cash because I just don't, I stuff my savings challenges with prop money because I put the money directly into my high yield savings account on Ally. And so I don't want to fold prop money and put it in here, so I'm actually stuffing these with real money. The second one is my 24 envelopes from D versus Debt. So what I did was I just had these little cards and I just laminated them and made some little holders for those. And with this one, I am just picking 2 from there. have places for all my savings challenges to go. So the D versus debt, that is going for laser hair removal. And then of course this mystery 15 is going to electronics, either a new computer, or it's going to go towards something for my small business, some kind of equipment. So let's see. I do 2 from each one every week. So number 4, which is 25. So I will find a 25 in here. Okay, so there's a 25, and then, whoops, 3. So a 3 is 20. So 20. So I will stuff these during my savings challenge. So that's $45 there. That will be stuffing in the mystery 15. And then for D's, I'm just picking 2. So I picked these ones. I just kind of wrote the number on the back. So 9 and 1, so $10. So not too bad. So my next savings challenge will be, I'm sorry, I will be stuffing these during my next savings challenge. So I am doing those. I do have a couple of savings challenges that I'm going to be completing, as well as some new ones that I'll be starting along with these ones. So thank you so much for sticking around. I appreciate you guys. I missed you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.